All Points Tile Slate here with Gary, A&G Roofing.
Yep.
We're doing our roof load for him with our brand new Palfinger. How do you think it's going, Gary?
Oh man, it's going great, man. I'm glad to have you guys out. It's moving fast and smooth. Professionalism as always, and I appreciate you more than you know.
Professional with the professional, doesn't everything goes right.
Every time, baby.
All right.